Hi guys, today video is about a UPS inverter which is not working, and by mistaken if you put the wrong wires on the battery terminals, that is positive instead of negative and negative instead of positive, and you have done the wrong polarity, so your UPS will shut down and it will become dead and it will not work. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem very easily. So watch the video till end, don't skip any part, it is very easy viewers, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. So if you have put the wrong wires on the battery, so then you have to open the case of the UPS viewers. Look at the black and red wires of the battery going inside the main board. At the end of the black or red wire you can find the fuses on any one side. So here these are on the red wire. So check these viewers. If this happens with you that you have put the wrong polarity wires on the battery, first of all check these four fuses, because they will probably blow out. So check these with the help of multimeter. I have checked these and these are blown viewers. Now I have taken the new ones. You can see that its rating is same 40 amperes. You can see that this is good and it is connected. Also you can use multimeter to check these. The good fuse will give you a beep when you connect the probes on its terminals. It is good viewers. You can buy these fuses from any auto parts, car mechanics, and these are not available on other electronics shops viewers. So whenever you got this problem, change these fuses. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it and share it with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.